Before you hire an agency, listen to this. Hiring an agency won't fix your problems until you fix this for yourself first. Hi, my name is Garima. I'm a marketing and sales consultant wherein I help businesses to build their own marketing and sales strategies. And in my years working as a consultant, I had so many clients who would say that we did hire an agency, but nothing seemed to work and we drained a lot of money into it and there was not even a break even. And I tell them this one thing. But before that, let me walk you through why exactly hiring an agency did not work for you as a business. The first section is understanding why exactly businesses rush into hiring an agency. And with my years of experience, I have noticed these particular 3 to 4 lines that any business says that what guarantee can you provide? How can I be sure that I'm gonna get an ROI? You know what? I don't want to do the work, I want everything to be done for me. And that's exactly what businesses are doing wrong. They want a quick fix. They don't want to put in the efforts, and I'm very sure they know that how much efforts are required. That is exactly why we get these stories so many times from agencies that these people make us do so much work. This is not even in our scope of work and they have been making us redo things over and over again because the business knows themselves that there's a lot of work and they don't want to do the work. They want simply a quick fix, someone who does it for them in the shortest amount of time and the lessest amount of money possible. And it's okay to hire an agency. I am not against agencies, but don't put the future of your business on the shoulders of an agency without you yourself understanding, before you yourself understanding the basis of your own business. Because if you don't know that, how are you going to convey it to an agency or delegate the work in future even to a team? So I have a course called as Seen and Sold and my consultation program. In that, the third stage of work that we do along with implementing and creating all the strategies is to make SOPs, so that these SOPs can eventually be delegated to a team or to an agency to make them understand what exact work does the business want, what are the business's expectations, understanding product and details about the products, all these things. This is exactly what I cover and that's exactly what has helped someone who has took my consultation. Let me move on to the harsh truth about agencies. An agency can only amplify what has already been done. I myself have this experience wherein it takes at least 1 or 2 months in the first place to understand the business, and then only you can implement any marketing and sales strategies or anything that, like, even create marketing and sales strategies. You first need to understand the business, and that generally takes 2 months at least. And if you're hiring an agency right now and you expect them to bring you results within a month, that is certainly not possible, because A, they haven't understood what exactly is the business in depth about audience and all these stuff. And I don't blame them because they don't understand it, because you as a business, you yourself don't understand what exactly does your business require. So if you don't have the clarity, how exactly are you going to delegate the work and make sure that others can work for you based out of that clarity? That's exactly why we hear so many business talk about that I hired an agency and that didn't work, because they don't build your strategies, they execute them. You need to make them understand your business first, and for that you need to understand your business first, your audience first, what exactly is going to work for you or not, and for which you yourself need to put in time. And if you hire an agency expecting that they would do all these stuff for you, then it's going to take time. And let's face the truth, it's not like an agency is going to work just for you. They have multiple clients under their umbrella and they themselves have created a system which can be implemented in all these clients. But that's exactly again becomes a problem for you, because if you don't have the clarity, if you don't have your own marketing and sales strategies right in place, then these templates are just going to confuse you and not work for you. But enough of making you problem aware. Let's talk about the solution that you can implement before hiring an agency, so that the next time that you hire an agency, it's going to be a success. The first is to have clarity on your brand. Know your audience, know who you are going to offer to, and who exactly are you. The personality, your business's personality needs to be created and fixed by you before you even hop on to getting to an agency to do the work for you. The second is messaging foundation. What is going to be your language? What exact pain points are you going to convey or say in your content for which your product or service is a solution? These messaging, these tonalities should be decided by you, so that someone can work upon it and not decide for you right from the beginning. And why I say this is because you know your business the best. A founder knows the business the best, not any other person. So you are the expert of your business, and you are the only one who will be able to explain it to others. And if you have the clarity, then and only then any kind of strategy, any kind of implementation that you do are going to work for you. The third is sales narrative. Every product needs to be pitched in a very different format to a different kind of personality. There are so many types of personalities and people, and there is no one sales script fit for all kind of a situation. Everyone has their own buying pattern, their own mindset, their own thinking, and you need to tweak that based out of them and your product. Not every sales script or every promotion activity or any discount or anything can work same for all the products, for which you need to understand your own sales pipeline, your own product. You need to study that and then see where exactly does your product lies, who exactly is it for, and how exactly can a sales narrative be tweaked for optimizing your business's growth. And the fourth one is buyer insight. Before you get into hiring anyone to do it for you, you need to do it for yourself. When I started my business, right now I do have all these automations set for me, people who could do the admin work for me. But in my initial days, I used to send manually all these details, information to all the leads that I was generating. And I did not implement any external thing before I validated my offer, before I had at least 2 to 3 clients based out of purely my merit, that I hired an agency or I hired someone or a team member to work for me, or even automations or softwares. I didn't purchase them before I did not validate my offer. So, you yourself as a business needs to validate your offer first by yourself, by your own merit, and then get into hiring a team or hiring an agency to do it for yourself. And why this is important is because this gives you insights of your audience, your buyer insights. Why exactly is your audience purchasing from you? What is missing? And does not matter if you have created an amazing product until you know your market. And this cannot be done by anyone else but yourself as a founder, as a business owner. So, before you hop on to my next video, try and implement all these stuff, because on the next video I'll be making you understand how exactly can you make hiring an external help work for you. So it's not only important to know what to fix with yourself, but it is also important to understand what exactly to expect out of the other person. And I'll see you in the next video.